All right, what's up, Dilio here, and these are 5 things you might want to know about Suno if you think about jumping into the deep end with this. So let's talk about it. So the first thing is that according to the terms and service, you don't want to upload anything you don't own. So if you're using someone else's lyrics and samples and stuff like that, they don't want you to do that. I'm quite sure people do that. And if you don't have permission to upload other people's stuff onto it, it is on you. So I would think popular song lyrics that you know and love, put that in there. You know, it doesn't really help anybody, I think. But I get it. It might be fun, but that's not something they think you should do. Suno can use what you upload and what it makes for you. So they do get permission to store it, share it, and use it to improve and train their AI. No extra money to you. So that's another thing we got to think about, is that you're adding to the pot of things that they use in their model to render more music. So it's like you're just adding more of your ingredients into this big conglomerate model that gets shaped and actually better at creating more music. So that's something to think about. Now, here's another thing. You want to make money off this thing? Well, in order to make money off of this thing, according to their terms and service, is that you have to get the paid plan. So paid plan equals you can release songs. A free plan, you can't. So Pro and Premiere, you can use your songs commercially. So let's say you want to make you a song and drop it on Spotify, go right on ahead. And if you're using the free and basic, you can only use it for personal use, and you must credit Suno. So there's the 2 different things right there. Also, if people remix your song, you share ownership. So remixes become 50-50 with the remixer, and those remixes are non-commercial unless Suno says otherwise. So you might want to think about that. If you publish your songs, publish you on a platform, I know there's a feed on there where you can listen to the creations that other people make on there, and you can actually remix them. Now, I don't know how that really makes money. I haven't gotten into that. They can delete your stuff or ban your account, and refunds aren't guaranteed. Back up your work, cancel subscriptions early to avoid auto-renew charges. You got to watch out for that. If you subscribe to it, they will auto-renew. That's something to think about. Overall, you know, it's been a pretty interesting platform to use, and I think that it can be a tool. I'm still learning more about it, but I just want to help people out there who may not know about the platform. What are some of the terms and service? What you just heard from me is sort of a summarized version of the terms and service. I'm sure there's more to that. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. You're watching Dilio T2K.